me enter your shot.
Okay.
Okay.
We are happy. We are making a very evident progress in this trial. And you can see today we called our 22nd witness, who was a key witness, what we call a star witness. And he gave evidence that covered very substantial areas of our case. And he was cross-examined too. So, and after that, we tendered a series of documents which INEC produced upon a subpoena. So we are very happy with the progress. We'll continue on Monday. Yes. Yes. This is very, thank you very much. That's a very important question. You see, our witness is a very experienced person, a legislator, and who played a key role in the legislation, which is the subject matter of this case. And you see how he gave evidence of the innovation by the new Electoral Act, which is this aspect of electronic transmission of results. And that is the bone of contention. And once, as he said, there is no compliance with that provision, apparently, even as you saw in the videos played in court by the statement by the chairman of INEC himself, it affects the transparency, because that innovation is to ensure transparency of results. So this witness who participated in the promulgation of the Electoral Act was so versed in this area of law. And also, having been the national coalition agent, he was very key in the affairs of that day. So he is a very competent witness, and we are very happy with his performance. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.